Hi friends, welcome back again to the channel Eau de Parfum. If you're new here, you know the deal. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified for the next uploads. And while you're at it, please give us a thumbs up for the video. It doesn't really cost anything. It just helps the channel and helps the video. So yes, for today's episode, once again, unboxing and first impressions of this fragrance right here. This is Raw Vetiver by the company ZARA. As you can see over here, it says ZARA. This is a EDP, Eau de Parfum concentration, and it is a 100 ml size type of bottle. So I didn't look up any notes or anything about this fragrance. I did hear a little bit about it, but not so much. I prefer to not look into it that much. So, but I heard a lot of positive feedback about it. I mean, the people that I asked said that it is good and that I should purchase it, especially that it is cheap. It doesn't cost much. As you can see over here, we have the price tag. Over here it says 11 euros, which is the equivalent of like $13–14. So yeah, fantastic deal for a 100 ml. You know, you cannot really go wrong with this type of price tags for this type of fragrances. I think over here we have the notes for this fragrance. It says over here black pepper, ginger, mandarin, apple blossom, orris, I don't know what orris is, rhubarb, salted amber, incense, and high tea vetiver. That's interesting. Over here it says made in Spain, etc, etc. And also on here, I think, yeah, it says woody vetiver clashes against green notes to create a what the hell this is. I'm gonna skip it. And yeah, their rhythm is transformed into beating heart by the metallic touch of balsamic, warm and dry accords. Always, you know, ZARA fragrances, they are always so philosophic. So yes, let's get the bottle out. If you want to see the inside of the card box, so I got this on a deal with another fragrance. As you can see, it's already cut, but I didn't try it yet. I'm gonna try it now for you guys for the video. So as you can see, it's beautiful. I like the color of the juice. I don't know if you guys can see it or can you tell. The color of the juice is like towards the green color. Anyways, let's spray it and see how it is. This time I'm just gonna spray it on my hand, no papers. Alright, maybe I should add a third spray. No. Alright, and yeah, the same usual type of sprays, the same usual type of cap when it comes to ZARA fragrances. I don't really advise you to hold your fragrances from the cap, especially ZARA fragrances. But in general, never try to grab your fragrances from the cap. Wow, I didn't even smell my hand yet, and I can smell the fragrance from here. And it's actually very very familiar. You know, guys, I'm a big fan of vetiver scents, vetiver fragrances, and that's actually, I would say, like 70% why I bought this fragrance. So let's see really if, yeah, I'm smelling it right now. I'm sniffing it off my hand, and I don't really sense any vetiver here, to be honest with you guys, which is quite shocking. But as I said, this smells really familiar. I'm trying to remember which fragrance this smells like. Maybe if I look at the notes, yes, ginger over here. So this fragrance actually smells like YSL Y, the EDT and the EDP as well. Yves Saint Laurent Y, Yves Saint Laurent Y. Yes, Yves Saint Laurent Y. It smells so much like it. This might be a clone for that fragrance. But where is the vetiver here? They're saying that in the notes that it is high tea vetiver, and vetiver has a Y letter instead of the I, which is interesting. Maybe I should look up this. Maybe it is a different type of vetiver. And yeah, it says incense, Yeah, kinda. I would say like kinda. It has this incensey vibe. The apple is present. As you can see over here, it says apple blossom, and it says over here ginger. And the ginger is one of the main notes in YSL, especially the EDT. Yeah, yeah, it smells so much like it. I think this one might be a clone of that fragrance. So yes, I think maybe this is it for our video. I will try to do a review. I will try to wear this fragrance for a couple of days or 3 days or even a week to see about the longevity, the performance, I mean to cover everything about this fragrance and understand and see about it all, to give you a full and honest review about it. So this was just the unboxing, the first impressions, and I would say yes, I like it very much. I don't love it so much. I'm kind of disappointed because it doesn't have the vetiver that I was looking for, but since it smells like YSL, I'm not gonna complain. Even though I'm not a big fan of YSL, I only like the parfum version of YSL. I don't like really the EDP or the EDT. And this one is much closer to the EDT of YSL, so I can definitely consider it as a clone of that fragrance. I mean, so far I can consider it that way, but I will still, as I said, I will still have to wear it a few days, a few times, and then I will give you my full opinion about it. So yes, if you reached the end of the video, make sure to give us a thumbs up for this video. Stay tuned for the review for this fragrance and another unboxing for this fragrance right here. This is ZARA 9, the classic one. It is an EDT 100 ml. There's gonna be an unboxing and first impression very soon, and also the review for this one. So yes, definitely guys, stay tuned. And if you're not subscribed, once again, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you get notified for the next uploads. Thank you for watching. Take care.